All right, question 14. People did a pretty good job on, actually. And so the whole question was asking, is x equals 6 a solution? Now, to solve this, actually, you don't want to solve it. I'm using the exact wrong word there because it says without solving. So the question's really getting at, do you know what it means to prove, okay? And when we did our previous problems with solving equations, you had to prove in all of those. And what that is, it's basically just taking your solution there, the number 6, and we're going to stick it in everywhere that we see x, and we're going to see, does it work? So it's like the solving's already been done for you. That's why it says without solving. We're just checking to see, is 6 an actual answer? So what we're looking for is, we're going to plug the 6 in for x. So that I would just rewrite the problem, and we really want to see this step right here. And then you're just going to work out the left and the right side and see if they end up being the same number. So let me just kind of divide the left and the right side. So this is going to give me negative 30 plus 23, which is going to be negative 7. So the left side works out to be negative 7. Well, what happens on the right? So that becomes 2 times negative 2, because that's 4 minus 6. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Those things are not equal. That's why I put that line there in the middle. So if they're not equal, that means 6 doesn't make it a true statement. So that tells us, no, it's not going to be a solution. And if I was going to explain that in words, I would say, this could be worded a little bit differently, but it would be something like, when I substitute x equals 6 into my equation, the statement is not true. Or, something like that. You don't have to word it exactly the same. And the reason it's not true is because those last two numbers are not the same. So if you got that one wrong, go ahead and give this one a try. So now we're checking, is x equals 5 a solution? The correct answer for this one is also no. And I didn't show all the steps there, but if you substituted it in, the left side ends up equaling 20 and the right side ends up equaling 32.